right, today we're gonna bring a Vivor forge. This is a heavy duty forge, up to 2600 in Fahrenheit, the highest you can go. Now included with this, you get the bricks. All right, we haven't opened up yet, but the actual bricks that retain the heat. All right, these don't break apart, don't melt. They're replaceable too, so don't worry about that. Now, do you have the 3 splitter for the propane tank? There's an off and on every single one of them, has a lever and the main connection that actually gets a split to go to your propane tank. Now, not including propane tank, you got to include your own propane tank, and you have to actually screw in and set up the whole thing. Now you got the 3 pipes that actually have the torches. All right, you set them up in here one by one here. You lock them in place one by one, if you guys can see it. Lock it in place, make sure it doesn't move. Then what you want to do is lock these in place too. All right, make sure that the torch does not move too. And these also have locks in here, all right, that you lock them in place. Now the forge itself, it's a little narrow in here, if you guys can see that, but you get the whole enchilada in here. Now you have one entry here, if you guys can see that, one whole entry here. And we go back, we got the whole larger entry in here. So one, and then you have handles in here, but these are going to heat up with the actual torch. But be careful, make sure you're using the proper material when you're using this and setting it up. All right,
okay, so we got this really nice forge, and this is a little bit bigger. This is a 3 burner forge. We're going to start putting it together and show you guys how it works. You tie it up here once it drops, just so it doesn't move. It's not going to fall, but you just want to be secure. And this is to close the flame so it doesn't go through that outside. Loosen it here and tie it up there. I'm gonna leave them down for right now. This is your gas line. So to put it together, you don't want to spin it because you might strip it, so we just took it apart and we're gonna start threading it. Then to tie it up, I got the wrench here. Just give it a little twist and we're good. Connecting the propane, so just make sure it's really tight. And this is a pressure regulator for the gas, for the flame. I'm gonna open up the gas already. Right now we have a refractory brick that is used for the, and we're gonna start testing it out right now. We're gonna put in the brick inside of here. Put it in here. And then we're gonna check it out. Nice, I
That's a nice little kiln.
And so here's pressure regulator. Nice. I know. You saw it?
because you have to close it.
Yeah, you can close it here. Nice.
Talk about it real quick.
Yeah.
Look at the other one.
And then it has 3 flames.
Yeah.
So,
Here, let me try another one.
oh, I thought they were on.
Yeah, ready?
It's on. Go ahead.
Okay.
You can talk about it.
So right now we're gonna turn the second valve. Open it up. Do you see it goes in there? Gonna close it up as well. Nice.
All right, for actual thermal purposes, we set it up. We only turned on 2 pipes in here, but we were getting excessive heat up to over 1,000 Fahrenheit on this one, if you guys can see. But just 2 pipes alone could actually bring up a lot of heat, but with 3, you could go maximum of 2,000. So this is very convenient. So if those that are work in the jewelry industry, or you want to forge your own metal pieces or jewelry, art, all sorts of things you can do with this at home, anywhere. But just make sure you use it in a safe environment. Like here, we have it out in the open away from any buildings, away from any platforms. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.